Hey there, business owners. Ready to transform your online presence and take your business to the next level? Let me tell you about Trade and Investment Bangladesh, or TIB, and their expert website development services. So, what exactly is a website? It's a digital platform for businesses, individuals, and organizations to share information and interact with their audience online. Think of it as your virtual storefront that anyone with internet access can visit. In today's digital age, having a website is a necessity. Let's talk about the different types of websites. Business websites represent your business and offerings online. E-commerce websites, designed for online purchases. Portfolio websites showcase your creative work. Blog websites share information and insights. Educational websites provide online courses and resources. Social networking websites enable users to interact and share content. Informational websites provide detailed information on a subject. Now, why should your business have a website? It's a vital asset in today's digital marketplace. A business website promotes products or services, establishes credibility, and reaches a wider audience. Plus, it allows you to engage with customers 24/7 and provide support. The benefits of having a website are endless. Increased visibility. A website extends your reach beyond physical boundaries. Enhanced credibility. A professional website builds trust and demonstrates legitimacy. Marketing opportunities. Websites offer a foundation for digital marketing campaigns. Customer engagement directly interact with customers and provide support. Data analytics. Collect data on visitor behavior to refine strategies. So, why choose TIB's website development services? TIB stands out as a leading provider of website development services. Their team crafts websites that are visually appealing, functional, and optimized for user experience. Customized solutions. TIB customizes each website to meet your specific objectives and brand guidelines. User-friendly designs. They focus on intuitive design for a seamless user experience. SEO optimized. TIB builds websites with SEO in mind to help your business rank higher on search engines. Responsive design. Mobile-friendly websites that work seamlessly on any device. Reliable support. TIB provides ongoing support and maintenance. If you're ready to elevate your business with a professional website, reach out to Trade and Investment Bangladesh today. Phone, +8 801-5536-76767. WhatsApp. Website, https://trade-and-investmentbangladesh.com. Partner with TIB for exceptional website development and make your digital presence a powerful tool for growth and success. Thanks for watching.